Hello friends, this is Hemant here from Yo-Yo Money Singh. Today we are here to discuss another topic which is related with the personal finance. The name of the topic is Pradhan Mantri Jeevan Jyoti Bima Yojana. So let's understand that what is Pradhan Mantri Jeevan Jyoti Bima Yojana and what is the nature of this scheme. The nature of this scheme is 1 year term life insurance scheme. It means that after every year, if you want to avail the scheme, you have to renew it on the annual basis. Now, talking about the benefit. In this scheme, you are supposed to pay an annual premium of 330 rupees, which would be the annual basis, and against that premium of 330 rupees, you would be getting a risk coverage of 2 lakh rupees. Now, talking about how the premium would be paid. The premium amount, which is of 330 rupees annually, would be automatically debited from your saving account. Now, I will talk about that who will offer and who will be the administrator of this scheme. You can avail this policy from your bank in which you are having a saving account. Now, talking about the eligibility. Any Indian whose age is between 18 to 50 can enroll in this policy. To enroll in this policy, he must have a saving account. What is the enrollment period? The enrollment period for this policy is from 1st June 2015 to 31st May of the next year. Now, I will talk if a person can join in the next year if he fails to join this year. Yes, in this scheme, if a person fails to join in this policy in this year, he can join in the next year. In case of any individual who leaves the scheme, if a person leaves the scheme in any due to any reason and in future he wants to rejoin in this scheme, in that case he can also do the rejoining. Okay. Now, talking about that who will be the master policy holder. The master policy holder of the scheme will be the participating banks. Then, when can the assured on this scheme will be terminated? Once the person has attained the age of 55, or he has closed the bank account, or he doesn't have a sufficient balance in this account. In case of a member who is having a multiple account and he is unable to make the payment. Now, this will cover an additional coverage under any other insurance scheme? Yes. If you have another scheme of term insurance, in that case you can avail this facility also. Thanks a lot. For more information regarding the personal finance, kindly visit at www.yoyomoneysingh.in. Thank you.